In this video, I'm going to show you how to screen share on Streamlabs Mobile. So to do this, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Streamlabs application like you normally would. Now, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on the Go Live button. Of course, you'll need to make sure that you already linked your Streamlabs account to like a platform, whether that be like Twitch, whether it be Kick, etc. But you just want to press on Go Live, and whenever you do that, you'll now have the option to actually screen share. So you want to select on screen share. You want to press on next, and then over here, it's going to show all the different channels that you're able to stream to. And if you haven't added anything yet, then you're able to press on the plus one, and then you can add something like YouTube, X, Twitter, etc., Facebook. And anyways, for me, I just went ahead and selected on Kick. Then you want to press on next, and then from here, you're able to begin your stream. You're able to give it a title, a description, the category, and set the resolution, FPS, and of course, configure things to your liking. And then you're able to get started. Now, if you're in a situation where you try to go ahead and do this, but you notice that you don't see a screen share option, that is because, unfortunately, you only get that option on an iOS device. So it's very frustrating. I know I really wish that Streamlabs was a little bit like better on the Android, but unfortunately, that is just the way that they designed it. I really do wish that they made things a little bit better. But if you're on an iOS device, then that is good for you because you're able to go ahead and get this feature. If you're on Android, I recommend using another live streaming alternative that's not Streamlabs, that you're still able to stream on Android, but of course, just Streamlabs on Android is just a little bit weird, and I don't really like it too much. But again, if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.